Welcome to Loren and Steve. Today, we're in Hobart.
Icy gold.
We're getting off the tourist path to let you in on a local secret. We're taking you on our favourite walk, the Hobart Rivulet.
Welcome to Cascade Brewery.
And we're on the lookout for the elusive Platypus. So if you're ready to explore the side of Hobart tourists always miss, then let's go!
Welcome to the Hobart Rivulet. I'm like a little child swinging on my bench.
Starting just behind the Hamlet Cafe on Mole Street, this track stretches for around 2.7 kilometres, all the way to Cascade Brewery at the foot of Kanani, Mount Wellington.
So this is the rivulet. This is this is my favourite place in Hobart. I come here more than once a week and I run here, I walk here, I meditate here, I come and find all the wildlife here.
There's so much wildlife.
And the sound of the traffic gets replaced with this gushing stream of water that's making its way all the way from the mountain, all the way through the city. It goes sort of subterranean until it pops out on the other side by the River Derwent.
The path is mostly flat and really suitable for everybody. Whether you're walking, running, cycling or platypus spotting, it's a calm, leafy retreat.
And it's beautiful. Every day it changes. Every season changes. It's beautiful in every different month of the year. And it's my favourite place and we wanted to share it with you.
This is a nice way to keep warm in the morning.
Absolutely. It's such an amazing walk. So come, let's go walk. Let's go do this. You're going to have to help me off this bench. It's too high. Thank you.
Long before it was called the Hobart Rivulet, this stream was an important source of drinking water and life for the Mawinana people, the original custodians of Nipaluna, Hobart. Later, the rivulet played a vital role in the city's early development. It provided fresh water to the first European settlers, and over time it became central to Hobart's growth, both industrial and social. And now it's a peaceful escape. You see these metal frames in the water. They're clever additions by the Hobart City Council designed to catch fallen branches and debris before they can block the flow downstream. It's a small touch, but it helps keep the rivulet running clean.
This is one of my favourite parts of the rivulet because as you walk around this little curve, you just get the first glimpse of Mount Wellington.
One of the true joys of the rivulet track is the way nature slowly reveals itself. In just a few steps, you leave the city behind and step into a corridor of true Australian bush. And if you're lucky, you might spot patermelons, Tassie hens, or even a shy platypus paddling through the deeper pools.
You are awful, but I like you.
You find some weird books.
Travels through unloved Britain. Stoke, Bracknell, Coventry.
Coventry.
Grays.
Grace.
I don't know if that's in there. But I could write a book on Grays.
Come on, Grace.
Anyway, let's go back to the beautiful parts of Hobart. So the walk's not all in the shade. This is a sunny spot, although quite a windy spot.
There's always wind in Hobart.
It's icy. Icy gold.
Whew. That sun is warm and nice.
Yeah. What you doing? Oh, there we go. I'm not going to do that path. Not today. done it in the past. My hamstrings are still sore. We'll just do the normal path today. This is a 5k walk round trip. So we're about to get to my next favorite stop on this walk. So the next spot is a very popular spot for where platypus usually like to hang out. It's probably a bit too cold at the moment, but I have seen quite a lot in this spot. We're not looking too lucky today. They really love this pool of water, and to tell if there's a platypus in the water, you can usually see ripples in the water or little bubbles, and then you know they are around. Or sometimes it's just a duck. No, we're not looking lucky today. It's beautiful here. The air is so fresh. It's so quiet. All you hear is the water and the birds and the occasional bike or scooter going past. And it's just minutes from the city. It's unbelievable. It's truly a special place.
Really amazing.
So if you are lucky enough to come and visit Hobart and walk along the rivulet, you might think this is the end of the path. But no, keep going. We have to walk through a little bit of a road, and we'll see a little bit more of Hobart's heritage, and then the rivulet continues. So let's go.
Just beside the rivulet sits one of Hobart's most significant heritage sites, the Cascade's Female Factory.
Rivulet going all the way up here, but we are now in a suburb. And right next to the World Heritage Site, Cascade's Female Factory, which was a prison for females. This statue, she usually gets dressed up at different times of the year. People like to crochet her collars and give her flowers, and just to remember the female convicts that came to Hobart and the terrible ordeals that they had to endure. So it's a good way to remember them. So we've walked through that little block or stretch of suburbia, and now we're back on the rivulet track, and we're going to my third most favourite place along this rivulet track. Another spot you can get to see platypus, hopefully. We'll have a look. And into the most beautiful park. So let's go. Another great spot to see the platypus. Unfortunately, no platypus today, but we do have duckies, all trying to keep warm. All right, let's go to the final stop on the rivulet track, Cascade Gardens. I love this park. It's absolutely beautiful. I also love it because it's usually the halfway point of my 5-kilometer run. But as you walk along here, there's so many beautiful trees, and the rivulet is now on your right, where you've been having it on your left the whole time you've been walking up here. And it's just... I'm sorry, I keep saying how beautiful it is, but I just really love it here. It's just my happy place. It's where I center myself. And as you walk up here, and it starts to get even more hilly, and you can start to smell the hops, because we are about to see the oldest brewery in Australia, Cascade Brewery. Welcome to Cascade Brewery. Brewery.
And here it is, Cascade Brewery, Australia's oldest operating brewery, established in 1824. The actual bar and dining area sit in a separate building, and if you're around midweek, check out the trivia on Wednesdays, or enjoy live jazz on Sunday afternoons.
I have my own hospitality group. What?
Oh, look at you going, you're a million side gigs.
Even ones I don't even know about. Oh, can you smell that, Steve? Smells like beer.
As we make our way back from the brewery, we wanted to ask you, have you walked along the Hobart Rivulet? Or do you know another hidden Hobart gem we should check out? Drop it in the comments. We love finding out new places to explore.
Okay, so we've made our way back to nearly the start of the Hobart Rivulet. But instead of going to the start or to the end, we're here at the Liverpool Steps. They're about 97...
96, 97. We're not entirely sure. We'll have to get Blake to count it.
But it's the last stretch as we make our way home.
Yes.
Let's do that.
Let's do this. Ready? Go!
Silly steps, you gotta do the same foot every time on the step.
2 steps for every step.
Yeah, Ma.
This is why we run and go to the gym. Keep the legs strong.
Woo! We're nearly there. Nearly there. Shall we do the last?
Let's do the last one.
Okay. We made it.
Thanks for coming along on one of our favourite local adventures. If you're after more unique Tasmanian experiences, you can check out our last video here. It's a sunrise adventure we'll never forget. Until next time, bye!